Hello everyone, we are going to walk you through on how to install and set up your Capsule Action Automation for Workflow app in your account. Once in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. You're going to click on Install, then you search for the account in which you want your app to be installed. Select your account and click on Continue. Click on Allow and Install. Then the custom menu link is going to pop up. You're going to copy your custom menu link, head over back to your account, click on Settings. Once you're under Settings, you're going to scroll down and click on Custom Menu Links. Click on Create New. Select the link icon. Enter the link name. And you're going to paste your custom menu link. Scroll down. Select your account. In here, you're going to give access to who can see this link. We'll be choosing all. Once you're done, click on Save. Next thing, you're going to switch to your account and then you're going to search for the custom menu link, click on it, and then search for the app. As you can see, it's showing here that our app has been connected. But no worries, we are still going to walk you through on how to connect your app. You click on Manage. And then the interface of the app is going to pop up, where you're going to have access to your documentation. Under the tutorial, we're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. Under the setup, we notice that our app has been connected. But if your app hasn't yet been connected, no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, and you're simply going to enter the email in which you use in creating your Capsule account. Once you have entered your email, you're going to click on Complete Setup. And there you go. Your app has been successfully connected. You're simply going to enter your site address and click on Continue. We equally have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can actually create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates and the changes of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.